2019 Land Rover Discovery for CarPlay. Yeah. Start the vehicle. It will start loading the factory system up. My phone is just here. Just outside. So all we do is we need to select aux, obviously for the sound, and if I press and hold home, factory CarPlay system will come up. If I need to go back to Land Rover, I'll press and hold the home button again, and from here I'll just play whichever was last played. Volume down from here. Maps, and then this obviously works with his original reverse. I'll go to reverse. As you can see here, I'll go back to park, or return back to CarPlay, which was last on. There we go. Obviously CarPlay itself here. Obviously you can do calling, messaging, everything like that through here. If you want this installed on your vehicle, give us a call, 0208 554 555.